am here with my friend JC. He is the owner of this BMW M3. And in the past we met him, and at that moment he was talking about some modifications.
I'm gonna get it tuned by gintani.
Okay.
So I'm just waiting on that for the moment.
When you talk about the tune you have on the engine, what do you get? You get flamethrower and increase the horsepower too?
Yeah, I increase a little bit of horsepower.
What is the horsepower you, basically get? Like just
top of my head, I'm thinking about 420, 425 at the moment.
You say you got a tune on the transmission. What kind of tune you have?
The GTS transmission tune.
GTS transmission tune. So that means then your shifting is quicker, right?
It's quicker and a little smoother.
What is an estimate you have spent on the car with all the modifications?
Around about 1,500 to 1,800.
What we're gonna do right now is put it on a test. We are going to compare it to my BMW M4 because the M4 has enough performance. So that's what we're gonna do. That's what we're talking about. That's good performance there. Alright, let's go. It's done. Cut. So that was some amazing racing there, and your car, your M3, has some performance there. I cannot deny that you have pretty loud pops, right?
Yep.
Yeah, so tell me, how do you feel about the performance overall?
I feel the car like way completely different since before that it was stock. I can feel the difference like a lot.
Yeah.
Feel the difference a lot.
Yes.
The tune and those straight pipes, it makes a whole different. And that tune on the transmission with the GTS, man, that's a complete
different animal,
yeah,
right?
It's a different animal.
Yeah. So even knowing that you lost against an M4, still you're satisfied with the performance out of your M3, right?
Yeah.
So, and I get, I mean, performance-wise, it's still a little more, but those pops are unique, right? Those loud pops, I like those. You can hear them again.
God damn.
And so nobody can deny that. That is an amazing performance. Probably next time when I have a different video about another car, there is a F30 we want to race to. We're gonna check the performance, got different modifications, see how it can keep up with the M4. As you already know, M4 has enough performance. It is not like too much, but it is not like too less. So it is we can say a balanced performance of this one. So it's a good way to test other car performance. So until the next time, stay tuned on our channel. Up, up and beyond!